Yun! Mars, pahingal! Pero, yan ang smooth na sayawan na hatid namin sa inyo bilang pabuhay naman, no? Dahil sa good vibes dito sa Mars Pamor!
At lalo pang bubongga ang umaga natin kasama ang mga kapuso dance floor cuties natin na sina Kokoy de Santos at Ken San Jose!
Thank you!
Hey guys! Nako, maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak nyo sa aming imbitasyon. Naintindihan kaya ni Ken yun? Can you translate, Pars?
Naintindihan naman ako.
Ay, ang ganda naman.
Hindi naman lahat.
Konti lang.
Kapag
konti
malalim
lang.
na, medyo mahirap. Pero kaya, try ko lang.
Nice one, Pars. I love it.
Don't worry, Pars. Ito ang talagang magiging malaking source ng saya natin. Dahil siyempre, today, ang special celebration. Dahil itong araw na to, birthday, siyempre, ni Mars!
Ano ba? Huwag ka natin masyado ipangalagakan na nagkakaedad na tayo.
Ano bahala sa'yo, Mars?
Ay, may mga paandar kayong ganyan.
Happy birthday, Marjorie!
Thank you, guys! Okay. Ito naman, makakapagod ngayon, di ba? Para makain nating lahat. Thank you, guys! Maraming salamat, syempre. It's such a blessing that I still get to celebrate my birthday here on Mars Pamor. At happy ako na kayo ang mga kasama ko, guys. Yes.
Mga magkaka-age ang magkakasama
Oo,
today.
diba? Kailangan papagets ng papagets tayo. Doon tayo dumidikit, Mars.
Yes.
Diba?
Eto
Thank
na
you,
nga.
guys!
Okay, download na ang ating full force sa pagbati ng inyong four most favorite people in the world. Eto na sila! Sino kaya?
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Thank you for working every day so you can provide for us. We just want to thank you so much for giving us all our needs, our wants, and kahit napagod ka na sa amin, you still choose to take care of us and show na mahal mo kami. And in return, we want to say that we love you so much. And we just want to thank you for raising us to become the best children we could be. Thank you for helping us to become Christ-like children. Love you, Mom. Happy birthday.
What about you, Ate? Do you have a message from Mom?
Oh yeah,
What do you want to say to Mom?
you are so pretty.
You are so pretty. What else?
Mm,
What else do you want to say?
I love your hair, so pretty.
You love Mommy's hair? Because why? Why do you love Mommy's hair? Because?
Cause I love it.
Huh?
Cause you always touch it.
You always touch it every time you... What?
Sleeping up in the night.
Every time that you sleep at night, you hold
Yes.
Mommy's hair. What about you, Nola? What do you want to say to Mommy? For everything. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Okay, happy birthday, Lovey. I just want to say that we are just beyond blessed to have you. And thank you for all the sacrifices that you made for this family. And most of all, I am very happy and I'm very glad na you walk home with God. And nakikita ko talaga na it really deepens your faith with Him every day. And yeah, we are just so grateful for you, my love, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, and we love you. Say happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thanks, family! I love you all.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday,
Thank you,
Mars!
guys! Salamat! Ano bang birthday wish mo? So, yung wish ko lang is just good health for my family and to still be able to continue to do what I've always loved doing. Yun lang.
Ay,
Thank you,
grabe
guys!
naman.
Hindi na ako paiyakin, ah.